1. The quorum required to hold meetings of the legislative chambers is what fraction of the total membership of the House? A. 1/3, B. 1/4, C. 1/6, D. 1/10. Answer: D. 1/10. 2. Joint sittings of the two houses of Parliament are held to: A. Elect the President of India, B. Elect the Vice President of India, C. Adopt a constitution amending bill, D. Consider and pass a bill on which two houses disagree. Answer: D. Consider and pass a bill on which two houses disagree. 3. 1/3 of the members of the Rajya Sabha retire after every: A. 1 year, B. 2nd year, C. 3rd year, D. 5th year. Answer: B. 2nd year. 4. A money bill passed by the Lok Sabha has to be passed returned by Rajya Sabha within: A. 14 days, B. 21 days, C. 1 month, D. 3 months. Answer: A. 14 days. 5. Judicial review function of the Supreme Court means the power to: A. Review its own judgment, B. Review the functioning of judiciary in the country, C. Examine the constitutional validity of the laws, D. Undertake periodic review of the Constitution. Answer: C. Examine the constitutional validity of the laws. 6. Which is not correct statement the Supreme Court? A. Is a watchdog of citizens' liberty, B. Interprets the Constitution, C. Protects the directive principles of state policy, D. Settles electoral disputes of the President and Vice President of India. Answer: C. Protects the directive principles of state policy. 7. The salaries of the judges of the Supreme Court of India: A. Can never be reduced under any circumstances, B. Can be reduced during their term of office, C. Cannot be reduced during the term of their office except during a financial emergency, D. Are fixed by President of India. Answer: C. Cannot be reduced during the term of their office except during a financial emergency. 8. The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by the: A. President, B. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, C. Governor of the concerned state, D. Chief Minister of the concerned state. Answer: B. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. 9. The Constitution gives the powers of superintendence over all subordinate courts to the high courts under Article A. 226, B. 227, C. 228, D. 229. Answer: B. 227. 21. A retired judge of High Court cannot: A. Practice in the Supreme Court, B. Practice in any High Court of India, C. Practice in the High Court from where he has retired, D. Practice in any court of India. Answer: B. Practice in any High Court of India. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.